This is an introduction to relations and functions. What is a relation? A relation is a set of ordered pairs. The ordered pairs represent one input and one output, or one x value and one y value. This is what a relation looks like. It looks like a set of ordered pairs. It can also look like a table. When you have a table, you have an x on the left and a y on the right. You then go up to the ordered pairs, and you're going to take the x values and place them on the left side, and then the y value for each ordered pair is going to go on the right side under the y section. So we're going to take that -3, which is the x value, and put it under the x column. We're going to take the 1, which is the y value, and put it under the y column, and continue on, so that all of your x's and all of your y values from the set of ordered pairs are inserted into the table. We can also do something called mapping. When you map, you're going to have your x values on the left side and your y values on the right side. So that 2, which is an x value in the ordered pair, is going to go on the left side. The -3 is going to go on the left side. The 1 is going to go on the left side. We're not going to take that other 2 because we already have a 2. You do not repeat any values. Then we're going to come over here to the right side and we're going to put all of our y values. So we're going to take that 5 and put it over here. We're going to take the 1. We're going to take the -4 and the -2. Again, you do not repeat any values. We put in what we have. Then we map them by putting arrows between them. So the 2 goes with the 5. The -3 goes with the 1. The 1 goes with the -4. And then the 2 goes with the -2. We can also graph. We can take these ordered pairs and place them on a graph. So we have our point 2, 5, our point -3, 1, 1, -4, and 2, -2. You just plot the points on the graph, each ordered pair. So what is domain and range? When you have a function, the domain is the set containing all x values. So we're going to take the 2, the -3, and the 1, and we're going to put that in our domain. Again, we do not have to put repeated values more than once. So we already have the 2 right here, so we don't have to bring that 2 down. Now the range is the set containing all y values. So we're going to take the y values, the 5, the 1, the -4, and the -2, and that's going to make up our range. What is a function? A function is a relation where each input, each x value, is paired with only one output, one y value. So let's look at what that's going to look like. If we put our values and map them, we see we have one x value for each y value. We can also look at a graph. We can take those ordered pairs and put them on a graph. And then we could do something called the vertical line test. The vertical line test tells us if you draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph and it goes through more than one point, it is not a function. If it only goes through one point, it is a function. So here's our vertical line. Right there, it only goes through one point, so that's good. Right there, it only goes through one point. Only through one point. Only through one point. So we know that since this vertical line only goes through one point, it must be a function. let's look at this set of ordered pairs. We plot our points. We have 0, 5, we have 2, negative 1, we have 3, 4, and we have 0, 2. Now when we do the vertical line test to this set of ordered pairs, to this relation, right there, we see that it crosses through 2 points. That automatically makes it so it is not a function. It is still a relation, though. If we were going to do the domain and the range for this set of ordered pairs, we would know the domain is the set of x values. So we would have 0, 2, 3, and we would not put the 0 again, so that would be our domain right here, set of x values. And our range would be the set of y values. So we would have 5, negative 1, 4, and 2. Thank you for watching.